Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your payment info on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Load Netflix and sign in to your profile. Hover over your profile image at the top right of the screen and then select Account from the drop-down list. Here in the Membership and Billing section, select Update Payment Info. You can now enter your new credit card info and hit Save when done. Your payment info has now been updated, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.